After Lord Irwin, a new viceroy appointed to the British India. His name was Lord Willingdon. He was deeply unsympathetic to the Indian leader. In a private letter to his sister, Willingdon wrote, "It's a beautiful world if it wasn't for Gandhi. At the bottom of every move he makes, which he always says is inspired by God, one discovers the political manure. I see the American press is saying what a wonderful man he is. But the fact is that we live in the midst of very unpractical, mystical, and superstitious folk who look upon Gandhi as something holy." Dear students, we are going to look the holiness of our beloved father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. In this session, I am going to explain the relaunching of the CDM by Mahatma Gandhi and various participants participated in CDM and how these participants saw the movement. So have a look into the topic. Dear students, in the last class, we discussed about Salt March and its impact. Due to that, Mahatma Gandhi called off CDM. After that, Mahatma Gandhi entered into a pact with Lord Irwin on 5th March 1931. In that, Mahatma Gandhi agreed to attend a roundtable conference in London. Do you remember the first roundtable conference was boycotted by Congress. Congress was reluctant to attend the first roundtable conference during the Simon Commission. I hope you remember all the things. And in this time, Mahatma Gandhi, he was decided to attend the roundtable conference in London and he represented for Congress. And he demanded to the government, "I am ready to attend the roundtable conference for negotiation and all, but you have to release all the political prisoners." And government agreed to release the political prisoners. They also agreed, "Yes, you go and attend and we are ready to release the prisoners." In December 1931, Mahatma Gandhi reached London for attending roundtable conference. But negotiation broke down and Gandhiji returned to India with disappointment. When he came back and he discovered that what the government promised him, they will release all the political prisoners. What happened? The British government arrested the Congress leaders, especially Jawaharlal Nehru, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. They were in jail. And they declared the Congress party illegal. With the great apprehension, Mahatma Gandhi decided to relaunch the CDM. Let us now look at the different social groups participated in CDM. Many social groups participated in CDM, but they participated with their own aspirations. They're having their own aspiration. Have a look about the rich peasants. In the countryside, Patidars of Gujarat and Jats of Uttar Pradesh, they were the rich peasants. They produced the goods for the commercial purpose. Means, they are producing the crops for commercial business purpose. They used to sell their product in the international market also. Right? Patidars of Gujarat and Jats of Uttar Pradesh, they were the rich peasants. Only example. UP ka Jat as well as the Gujarati Patidars, they were the group, big zamindar. Business groups, they are producing the things for the international markets. Now, very hard hit by the trade depression and falling price. They produce a thing but nobody is ready to purchase. So price is also falling down. And their income decreased. They are unable to pay the tax to the government But British was not ready to accept all these things. And they requested the Britishers to reduce the revenue. They have to pay the revenue to the British, but high demand. Now they are not having any money because their income decreased because of the hard hit of trade depression. So they demanded the British government to reduce the revenue. They did not accept. What happened? Refusal of reduction of revenue in revenue demand. They totally resentment originated in all over the countryside. People were totally disappointed because they are unable to pay the revenue, huge amount they have to pay. And that was the main reason why they joined CDM. Now you understood why they joined the CDM. For their own purpose. For them, Swaraj means, for them, for the business groups or the commercial crops, producers of commercial crops, for them, Swaraj means it was a struggle against high revenue. They also participated in Inquilab Zindabad करके participate तो किया है, but क्यों? अपने लिए, क्योंकि उसको पता है कि स्वराज अगर आएगा तो हमारा तो सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएंगे. That was the main reason. But महात्मा गांधी के साथ मिल गया, right? And they financially helped the Congress also. They gathered the communities also. Those who are not ready to participate, they forced them. बहुत अच्छा help किया है. Enthusiastically they joined in the CDM, right? And but they disappointed when CDM was called off. In 1931, Mahatma Gandhi called off the CDM. Without reducing the revenue demand, Mahatma Gandhi called off the CDM. They disappointed. That was the main reason why they did not join the CDM when Mahatma Gandhi relaunched in 1932. The question will come. Why the business groups in the sense the rich peasants, they are known as the rich peasants. Rich peasants did not participate in the CDM at that relaunch. That time you have to say. Because Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement in 1931 without reducing the revenue demand. Mahatma Gandhi did not raise the demand but not fulfill. That was the main reason. Now we talk about the rich peasants when we talk about the poor peasants. Poor peasants means they are the tenants. I am the poor peasant, you are the zamindar, right? You are having a lot of land, plenty of land, and I am the tenant. When किराए पे ले रखा है आपका land. So for me, revenue not a big matter. Revenue is not a big matter. For me, rent is a big matter because you are not having the income and all, your income dwindled, reduced, then what about me? मालिक का तो income तो है नहीं है, तो नौकर का क्या बात है? मैं तो poor peasant है, and I am just working in your land, your own land, isn't it? So मेरे लिए क्या है? I too face similar problem as rich peasants. They are not having the money to pay revenue, and I am not having the money to pay rent to you. So I just wanted, for me, Swaraj means what? Wave off the unpaid rent or remitted unpaid means मेरे को wave off करना, free करना. जितना मैंने actually क्या था, जमींदार का जो tenant है ना, मैं किराएदार है, तो एक महीना पैसा नहीं है तो आपको समझ लगता है, आप बोला कोई बात नहीं, अगले महीने दो, अगले महीने में 4-5 महीना हो गया, now 6 महीने का रेंट मुझे आपको देना है, आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, you are asking to me, from where I will give? In such a way, my demand was to waive off the rent. But Congress was unwilling to support me. Why? Simple सी बात है. Congress, this rich peasants was with they were with the Congress. तो अगर मैं Congress मुझे support करेगा, that means क्या है? Congress will be against Congress should against these people, means rich peasants. Right? Congress तो इसके against में जाना चाहिए. Congress वो चाहते नहीं है. Because these people, rich peasants, they financially helped. And we poor peasants, how we help you? No way. So that was the main reason Congress was unwilling to support the poor peasants or no rent campaign. And what happened? Poor peasants, we people, we participate in the radical movements like a Communist Party and Socialist Party were there. And we joined with those group. Right? This was the condition. So rich peasants, the participation of the rich peasants and poor peasant that you have to read and learn. And question also will come. If you are able to understand carefully or clearly, then you are able to write the answers in whichever way questions they raise. Like they can ask the question why Congress was unwilling to support the Norend campaign. You are able to write. You understood that. What was the problem of peasants? Why Congress did not support? ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है कि द रिलेशन बिटवीन द पुअर पर्सन एंड द कांग्रेस वाज अनसर्टन. रिलेशन बिटवीन द कांग्रेस एंड पुअर पर्सन वाज अनसर्टन. तो दैट ऑल्सो. और ये भी पूछ सकता है कि कांग्रेस का छोड़ करके रेडिकल्स मूवमेंट है, सोशलिस्ट एंड कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी में पुअर पर्सन क्यों गया, तब भी आप बोल सकते हैं रीज़न क्या है. इनके लिए नॉरेंट कैंपेन मीन्स उसका रेंट वेव ऑफ करना है. दैट वाज अगेंस्ट द रिच पर्सन्स. दैट इज वाई कांग्रेस डिड नॉट सपोर्ट. I hope you understood. Now, इसके बाद questionnaire होगा. Okay? All the questions you have to write in a copy also. Thank you. Now the question, I will give the questions. You may please note it down in a copy and try to find out the answers also. First question, what was Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Write its features. Second, why was the CDM relaunched by Mahatma Gandhi? In that you have to write two clues also. Failure of second roundtable conference, you have to write about that. Second, new cycle of repression by British government, that also you have to write. And next is mention 3 reasons by which the rich peasants communities took active part in the CDM. Yeah, or a role of rich peasants in CDM. Next question. The relation between the poor peasants and Congress was uncertain. Explain the statement. Same question, different questions and same answer. इसी का भी जो आंसर लिखना है आपको और क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. Why did Congress unwilling to support the Norend campaign? Why did Congress unwilling to support the Norend campaign? Right? These many questions you may please write from this topic. And read the topic carefully because 1 mark question also will come from this topic. A timeline also you have to remember. If you have any queries, contact me. Thank you.